The best peas are available in winter. They're cheap and sweet too. So I thought I'd share another recipe with you all using peas. Today we're making Matar Dhokla. The fun part is, these dhoklas are instant and tasty too. To make instant Matar Dhokla, I've taken 1 cup of fine semolina here, and to this semolina we're going to add about 1 tablespoon of gram flour. Adding gram flour along with semolina in these instant dhoklas really enhances the taste. And now this is half a cup of yogurt. We'll use this to soak the semolina. Make sure that whenever you're making dhokla or handvo or anything like that, the yogurt should be 2 days old, meaning it should be a bit sour. That way you'll get really good results. Along with the yogurt, I also add a little bit of water. Approximately, you'll need to add about 1/4 cup of water to this. And while stirring like this, we need to make a lump-free batter. Look at this. The batter for dhokla is a little thick like this, which we call ribbon consistency. And now we'll cover it and let it rest. It's been half an hour to 45 minutes, and the semolina has soaked well. See how nice the batter has turned out? So now we'll add this to it. These are finely chopped peas, and I've chopped them in the chopper. This is about 1/4 cup of peas, and they are raw. And now let's add green chili and ginger. If you like garlic, you can finely chop it and add that too. And now let's add finely chopped cilantro. And finally, let's add it at the end, salt. Now mix everything well into the batter, and if needed, we'll add a little water. The dhokla batter is ready, and now finally, we need to add this. 1 packet of fruit salt, which we usually call Eno. But we won't add all of it to the batter. We'll take out the batter according to the size of our plate and then add it. So I'll take out a little batter into a bowl first. This step of dividing the batter is a very important step, because when you add fruit salt, the batter gets really good aeration. So when you steam the first plate, the dhokla turns out really well. But if you use the same batter after 20 minutes, the dhokla doesn't turn out as good. That's why always use only as much batter as you need. After adding fruit salt, use only the amount that fits your plate size. Before adding fruit salt to the batter, we will grease a plate with oil like this and keep it ready. Now, let's add the fruit salt. As soon as you add the fruit salt, you'll see that the batter has become nicely aerated. We'll sprinkle a little chili powder. And now we'll place this plate in our steamer. Cover the dhokla like this and let it steam. Steam it for approximately 15 to 20 minutes on medium heat. It's been 20 minutes. Let's check once to see if the dhokla is ready. Now, let's prepare the tempering to add on top of it. We'll take a little oil and add it for the tempering. We'll add mustard seeds, a little asafoetida, white sesame seeds, and curry leaves. All right, the tempering is ready too. And let's pour the tempering over the dhokla. Then, let's cut the dhokla. We'll add a little fresh cilantro and garnish it. Yes, ma'am. It's done. It's ready.